Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this origami cupboard. It can also be a piano if you write little notes on it, just like that. Alright, let's get started. Start off by folding in half. Now let's fold in half, unfold, and fold down. Now you should have a crease right there in the middle. Bring the corners out and fold to it. Same thing. Now you should have this. Now you want to bring these corners down so that they're right there. Yup, just like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you should have this. Now you want to unfold. You find one of the pockets, just open them like this. Put these down, push, yep, just like that, and then squash it down. Now you should have that. Do the same thing on the other side, just like that. Push this open, squash that out. Now you should have this. From here, you want to fold this up just like that. And then you want to fold it down once. And then you should have this. Now fold it down one more time. Just like that. Now you want to unfold one layer so it's like that. And bring this down just like that. Now you should have that. Now, oh yeah, you want to put that back. Start off by creasing these lines really well, just one more time. And then put it up just like that. Fix this. And there you go, your own origami piano. Like, share, subscribe, turn over those notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.